so today I'm going to show you how you can use a planner to organize some of your homework and some other tasks that you have to do. I have sort of a fancy one that you can write a bunch of other things, but for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to use July as an example. So first off, with a planner, you're going to get a calendar for that month. And let's just say on the 25th, on Thursday, you have a chemistry test. Or it's on the 6th on Saturday, it's your friend's birthday. So, and then you can always write notes on whatever class you do. And then this is where you can make a list of all the assignments you have to do, like sheet or let's go chemistry.
Hello, everybody. I am Annie. I'm a senior at Hellman High School, and my organization method for you guys is Google Calendar. There's probably an easier way I could have done this, but this is my current setup. So this is today's date, October 19th or 29th. And so I have my events and my homework. So those are my different calendars I have going on. So you can add an event or a focus time. And you could say, let's say for an advisory, I have to make organization video. Then what I want to do is I can either make it my event, so I can make it like my homework category or my event category, which would just be like under my name. And for me, this is more of homework in my mind, so I'm going to make that homework. I'm going to save it. And then I usually don't assign times to like my homework because it just goes under the same day. But like if I do have an event, let's say like tonight, I have to pick up my senior pictures, that I did assign to a time, but everything just falls under like the top of the day. So I see that first when I'm looking at my Google Calendar. It's pretty straightforward.
Another organizational method is using sticky notes to create a to-do list for either every week or just each day throughout the week. And I know this is an acquired taste and may not be down everyone's alley, but personally for me, this is what works best. So I just take a new sticky note every day and I write to-do list on the top, and then I scan through whatever classes I have today and also classes for tomorrow so I can be prepared. So this morning I had Gen Psych, and I know that I have to do my formatives on Canvas for Gen Psych. So I wrote those down, and then I also know that I have a Gen Psych test on Thursday. So I'm going to want to make flashcards in order to study for that test. So I have that on there as well. I know I have French for tomorrow, and we're starting a new section of our unit, and we have a packet to do prior to class as homework. So I'm going to make sure I have that done by tonight. And also just looking in retrospect what I have in the next couple weeks. So I know a pre-calc progress track is coming up, so I'm going to want to prepare for that and review through prior homework sheets. And another thing I like to use is the Canvas app. So I have that downloaded on my phone, and I have a widget that's on my home screen that shows me all the upcoming assignments and deadlines that I have to meet for my classes. So I like to use that too.
My name is Liberty, and today I'll be showing you how I organize myself for school. For school, I use Google Keep. You can find that in the Google Apps area right around here. And this is how mine looks like set up. And I have it right now through H days in this little square, and then V days over here, or you can put it as like 1 through 8 of what you're going to go through, like an end day. On these little notes area, you can label them whatever class you have. So I have Spanish 3 for my first hour, or if you have PE for your first hour, or whatever hour you have. And then also you could do a little reminder if you need to remind yourself that you have an assignment that's due at 11:59 p.m. and you need to do that. Or you could also collaborate with someone if you have a group project and you need to remind them and you about it. You could also color it whatever color you want. You have the selection. Or you could pick a picture off Google. Or you could pick a picture off your Chromebook. And that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for listening.